It's named the Earthquake Data Call Report, and inside it gives us a much better picture of just who and who doesn't have earthquake insurance in Washington, and a bit about why. Washington now becomes only the second state after California to have a comprehensive picture of its earthquake insurance market, and by some measures, we're better off. Nearly 14% of homes in western Washington have quake insurance. In California, it's about 10%.
Certainly for western Washington.
State Insurance Commissioner Mike Kreitler was actually surprised it was that high. But that still means 86% of homes here are not insured against earthquakes, and more expensive homes tend to have insurance where less expensive homes do not.
So affordability is an issue that I have an interest in. I'm not exactly sure how we address it, but there's a clear difference here.
Last summer, we looked at the realities of affordability. A brick house could cost $3 to $15 per $1,000 of the home's value, not including the land. So a $500,000 house could cost between $1,500 to $7,500 to insure every year. A wood house about half that. But the other piece of this is a high deductible. For our hypothetical homeowner, that's a deductible of $75,000, your piece of the cost of rebuilding. But without quake insurance, if you lose your home, you're still on the hook for the mortgage. And remember, you have to add earthquake insurance to your policy, either as an additional rider to your homeowners or as a separate insurance plan offered by another company. How much of this homeowners really know is an open question, and one way to get those numbers up is to start educating consumers more.
And this affords us an opportunity to look at what we may be able to do to help people be better prepared for these kinds of emergencies, help to kind of lower their risk.
Now, two companies, State Farm, of course, which offers a lot of homeowners and other kinds of insurance in Washington State, and GeoVera, a company that specializes in earthquake insurance. Between the two, they have over half the market here in this state. But part of the good news is that the insurance commissioner says there are a lot of other companies also offering insurance here, even though their percentage in the market may be very tiny, and even more companies are interested in coming in. In Seattle, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.